Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove duplicates in Excel step by step. I'll be showing this on Windows. Start by clicking on any cell within your data range. Excel will automatically expand the selection to include all related cells. If you prefer, you can manually select the exact range you want to check, but clicking anywhere in the data usually works fine. Just keep in mind that if your data has outlines or subtotals applied, you'll need to remove those first before you can remove duplicates. Once your data is selected, click the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the window. This opens up all the data management tools. In the Data Tools group, you'll see a button called Remove Duplicates. Click it. A dialog box opens with checkboxes for each column in your dataset. This is where you configure which columns Excel will compare when identifying duplicate rows. By default, all columns are checked, which means Excel will only remove rows that are exact matches across every single field. If you want to remove rows based on specific columns instead, uncheck the ones you don't want to compare. At the top of the dialog, make sure the checkbox that says My data has headers is ticked if your columns have headers. This tells Excel to ignore the first row when looking for duplicates. Once you've set your columns, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog. Excel removes the duplicate rows and displays a summary message telling you how many duplicates were found and removed, and how many unique values remain. The first occurrence of each duplicate is kept, and the other identical values are deleted permanently. Click OK on that confirmation message to close it and return to your worksheet. A couple of important things to note. If you need to undo the removal, press Ctrl+Z immediately. The undo option only works while the file is still open, so make sure you check the results before closing. The confirmation message shows you exactly how many duplicates were removed, so glance at that count to confirm it matches what you expected. Once you close the file, the undo history is gone, so verify everything looks right first. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.